Yo, there's no one driving that Model 3, huh?
Nope. I think it's a ghost.
Naman! Naman! Come here! Come here! The ghost is here! Come here! Dude, that Tesla is driving by itself.
No, it's not.
Look, you see it with your own eyes, bro.
Is this another one of those stupid ghost stories?
Let me close.
There's never a ghost here. What the hell? I bet you science can explain it. Hang on.
Pop, pop, pop.
There's a guy sitting inside wearing an invisible suit. That's all it is, dude.
We have 3 Tesla Model 3s lined up here, and it's really cool because they all have the Vorsteiner 109 wheels, but in different finishes, so I'll show you what those look like. So this is a white Model 3 that we wrapped in satin guard, so it has this nice satin white finish. But this 109 wheel is in carbon graphite, and the front lip is a Vorsteiner VFF front lip. Here's a black Model 3, same setup as the white one, but these wheels are actually 20-inch wheels, whereas this white one here is actually on 21-inch 109. This one is also running carbon graphite, and the front lip is also from Vorsteiner. This Narrow Gray Model 3 is running 109s in 20-inch in Zara Gray, which is this really cool clean silver color. Shut the f up, birds. So this one is running 20-inch as well. Nice clean classy color. However, the front lip is a custom painted and wrapped unplugged performance that we just did. 3 different Teslas, 3 different setups. Hopefully it gives you guys an idea. Guys, we finally got in a new Tesla. Let me show you. No, it's not a 3. This is our first Model Y we've gotten out of the shop. The best way for me to describe this car is if the Model S, X, and 3 all made love.
I like that.
And they created this baby. Let me show you what I mean. The overall shape of the car looks like a Model 3, but it is bigger. It has some features that are very similar to the Model X, like for example, this plastic liner that runs along the fender. Very similar to what you can find on the Model X, and it runs also all the way along the side there. And for me, the most obvious feature that they took from the Model S is this all one-piece panel roof here. The whole roof is glass. Besides those features, the rest of the car feels and looks like a Model 3. For example, the interior is still pretty much all Model 3. The key to the car is still your phone, and you still have the valet key card just like the Model 3. The steering wheel, the center console, everything is still very Model 3-like. This is probably the sportiest Tesla from factory, and this is what I mean. This is the first car released from Tesla that actually comes with standard a chrome delete. The X's, the S, the 3s, you find chrome everywhere. On the Y, the only places I was able to find chrome on this car were the front and rear T logos and the rear dual motor badge. Everywhere else where you would normally find chrome, there's no chrome there anymore now. The mirrors, the fender badges, the window trims, the door handles, heck, the door sills are now black, standard. If you're thinking about doing a chrome delete, you don't have to do that with the Y. It is pretty much all done for you from factory. Tesla even offers a $2,000 wheel option upgrade to get black wheels with a center lock looking design. So right off the bat, Tesla is already helping a lot of owners save money by not having to do a chrome delete. What? Even the rear diffuser is pretty aggressive. It has this cool angle and it's wide, and like I was kind of surprised. Besides that, other features that I thought were really nice to see on this car that the 3 didn't have, even though this took a lot of its design from the 3. Now the trunk has a button you can press just like the S or the X. Press it and it closes for you automatically, so that's really cool. You get a little bit more trunk room than you do in the 3. The front seats sit a little bit higher. That's because they are sitting on this elevated platform. The front is the same size as the 3 width-wise, however, it is a lot deeper than the 3. And now underneath the hood you have this cool seal that goes right above the front. One thing I want to bring up though, I've sort of accepted this by now, but this may bother some people, is the build quality. Despite this car being mostly Model 3 and some S and some X, there's still some quality control issues here. For example, things not lining up correctly. Window trim gaps are uneven, paint inconsistency. So for example, the front and rear bumpers may be a slightly different shade compared to the rest of the panels. I know these panels are plastic, so you'll never get them exact, and this is something that all other manufacturers have an issue with as well. It just seems to be a little more apparent in Teslas. But if you're willing to overlook these minor issues, overall the car is awesome. Driving wise, it feels the most like a Model 3 out of the 3 cars. Still feels very nimble and agile despite being a little higher off the ground, but you do feel that extra added height than you would in a Model 3. It really feels like Tesla has been listening to their clients in the market and seeing what people want, and they've implemented that, and you can see that in the Model Y, especially like with the chrome delete.
The stuff that I made, just like Chainsmokers.
Play it right now.
It's a better speaker.
You're being insecure right now.
Does it like pop up here? Alexa, connect to Dustin's iPhone.
I'm not sure.
Shut up. Connect to Dustin's iPhone.
Sorry, I don't know that.
How do you do it? Pair to Dustin's iPhone.
I'm not sure. Now connected to Dustin's iPhone.
Get your mind blown.
Give me the name.
There's 4 short songs.
It's called There Are 4 Short Songs.
Yeah, it's not mixed.
Fire. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to this channel. I have a video here that I think you might like, so check it out. I will see you guys next time.
Doesn't sound like that.
If it makes you feel better, Dustin, I would listen to this and all that other bullshit you've been playing.